Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today we are out at the greenhouse. We have another beautiful day here in February, and we're going to be working on building the tables and benches in my greenhouse so I have a place to start my seeds next month. So this is the inside of my greenhouse. Last video you saw us wood chipping it so I don't have mud to deal with in here. We are just using these old tabletops. I think we have two or three of them, and we're going to use these to make the benches. They're going to be window high, so they're going to be flush with the window here, and then I'm going to put a shelf or two underneath for more storage. But these are going to be my tabletops. We're just using scrap lumber for framing. We're just going to put a 2x4 here as an anchor point, and we're going to rest the tabletop on top of that 2x4 and screw it into the 2x4, and then we're going to use these 3x3s here as legs for the front of the tables, and that should work out pretty good. Hopefully we can do kind of like the wraparound U that I'm envisioning. So I have lots of space to work. I may eventually even do a wire shelf halfway on the windows just to add another layer of grow space. I'm really excited to make this a functional space on our homestead. But like I said, we're using scrap materials that we found for free. So it's not going to be the prettiest indoor greenhouse, but it will be functional, and that's the main point. So you don't always have to do things with brand new materials to make it functional. You can use what you find for free. You can use what you already have on hand. A lot of this is just scrap lumber from other projects that we've used. These were getting thrown out at a local store. We asked if we could take them. They said sure, so we took them. So yeah. Use what you've got. You don't have to buy new. And the greenhouse has tables. Woohoo! So now we're going to try to figure out how to put a base on this grow box, because we're going to put it here. And that way I have a little grow station where I can grow some lettuce and things during the winter months. Guys, here she is. So I've got a nice long table here and a table here. I think what we're gonna do is put shelves underneath this one and then maybe some pallets underneath this one for like bulkier storage like soil and perlite and other things, and then use the shelves over here for my seed starting trays and other smaller items that can't really be stacked on with heavier items. And then I actually forgot that I have a sink that we're gonna put right here. So we just need to build a stand for it, and then the sink will go here. And then we put in this little grow box here. This was actually given to us. So we built a little stand so it's at window length, and then the plants that grow in here will get lots of sunlight. And then eventually I'll figure out what to do with this space here. I do want to do a fodder system for my animals. Though the fodder system doesn't need sunlight to sprout the seeds, but it does need the warmth, and it was really warm in here today. So I think having the fodder system in here will be really nice, and then I can have fresh greens for my chickens and my rabbits and my quail all year long. So yeah, this is my greenhouse. I am so excited. I get to start seeds in here next month, and I get to bring you guys along with me. So if you guys have any questions about the inside of my greenhouse, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Oh, and just a friendly reminder, tomorrow is my live interview with Mark from Little Ridge Farm. So make sure that you head over to his channel. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys so you can catch it. But we're doing that tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll be doing a live interview. He's going to be asking me questions about my homestead, how I got started, and all of that fun stuff. So I hope to see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and remember, grow where you're planted.